Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up a bus route in OpenTTD. So to begin with, we want to come up here to the top of our infrastructure tab here, and we're going to press the road construction button, and that's going to bring up our ability to construct roads. And for this example, I'm going to use the city of Trantberg and Quartborough here to set up a bus route. And the first thing that I'm going to want to do is really start terraforming and building the road itself before we actually set up the bus stops. So to do that, I'm going to use this button here, which is going to allow me to freeform build roads. And I'm going to drag out from the square here. Sorry, I'm currently paused. I'm going to drag out from the square here, and you can see this little mound here. So I'm going to use this tunneling function here to build a tunnel and carry on building out the road. I've just come to a river here, and to get over this river, I just need to press this bridge button, drag from the square that I want to cross over the water, and you can see here that we currently have the ability to choose the girder steel bridge, so I can build that. It's got the best speed to it. And once we've got the bridge up, we can then carry on building our road. So I'm going to come up here a little bit and finish off by connecting into this town. I'm actually just going to make a little tunnel here as well to take us into the town. So now we've got a road connecting our two towns, and now I want to start building my buses. So the first thing that I'm going to want to do here is actually get some bus stops down. So I'm going to come up here to the build bus station button, and you can see several different kinds of bus stations available. I'm going to choose the through bus station routes here, which will allow me to actually have vehicles pass through the bus stop as opposed to ending at a bus stop. So I'm going to select the road that I want to build this on. The blue squares that you can see on the tiles are the catchment area, so you can see that we get most of the map caught there. And I'm going to come over here and I'm going to build another one just here. So those are our two bus stops built. I'm actually just going to make a second road here, because that is going to allow our buses to come round in a circular fashion and do a circle loop as opposed to having to find somewhere to turn around. And that's also why I've done this just here the way that I have. And then now that we've got our two bus stops built, I'm going to come over here to the depot button, choose the depot that I want and connect it to my road. And I'm going to press the depot, and that's going to bring up the depot overview. Press new vehicles here, and this will open up the new vehicles tab, and you can see in here all of the different kinds of buses and vehicles that we can build here. And I'm going to choose the the MPS Regal bus. I'm going to press build vehicle. That's going to basically create a bus for us. And now it's created, we need to give it a set of orders. Now, in order to do that, we're going to come over here and you will see this little arrow icon that's going to show the vehicle orders. We're going to press that. And then in here, we're going to press the Go To button, select our bus stop, come over to the other city, and then choose the other bus stop. So you can see here now that I have these two bus stops in the orders log. If I choose either of these, I can add additional options such as full load any cargo, full load all cargo, or no loading. Because we're doing a bus stop here and this only carries one type of cargo, I'm going to tell it to full load at this particular bus stop because we have more buildings in this catchment area and it's going to produce more passengers. Once we've given it the orders, we can go ahead and press start. I'm just going to speed this up a little bit. So we can see now it's starting to load up passengers, and it's off now to the next bus stop. We can see here by pressing the bus stop that there are more passengers currently queuing up. So I'm going to need more than one bus on this route to service these many passengers. To build more buses doing the same thing, I can come over here to the clone vehicle button and press this and press the bus that I want to clone. That's created another bus that I can now do, basically release it to do the same thing. Or if I want to build even more, I can actually do this here, which is to buy a copy of the bus again. So now you can see I've actually got 6 buses. And if I want to release all of these at once, I can go ahead and press this green button, and they will now start to leave their respective depots. Well, we can see the first bus now coming in to Quartborough. It's currently dropping off its passengers, and you can see here that we've just made £1,400 worth of income. Now, if we go back, we can see the buses are currently loading up with more passengers. I'm just going to speed this up a little bit. And you can see now that our very first bus has come into town We've currently got almost 30 passengers ready for it to pick up, and we now have a successful bus route between these two towns, and that is how you buy buses in OpenTTD. I hope this tutorial has helped.